Hi doctors. So in this video, we'll be looking at three things mainly. First, on why we strongly believe that in your upcoming NEET PG exams, there is going to be video-based questions. Next, on what the video-based question bank is all about and on how it is going to help you in your NEET PG preparation. So the NB, that is the National Board of Examination, has introduced video-based questions in your most recent FMGE exams that was held a few weeks back. Then in your NEET SS, that is your super specialty exams for your DM and MCH courses, they've already been asking your video-based questions. And also now recently, there have been a lot of changes announced in your NEET PG exams. So what they've done is they've reduced the questions from 200 to 180. So this means that the amount of time that you get to solve each question is going to increase. And this is not done just randomly. This means that the question is moving towards a more clinical scenario based or evidence based approach. So the questions are going to be more descriptive. And all these things point towards video based questions going to be launched in your next NEET PG exam. Next, coming to what a video based question bank is all about. So this is going to be the largest video based question bank yet. So you'll be having more than 1,000 plus questions, video-based questions in all the 19 subjects. Next, it is going to be in the exact same format that is going to be asked in your NEET PG. That is, there will be a video along with the video-based question and 4 options. Not only that, you'll be having a detailed explanation of the answers also. Next, coming to the duration, you'll be having 3 months, 6 months or a 1-year subscription. So now why a longer duration of subscription will help you is that this is not going to be a fixed or static queue bank. Meaning, as and when time goes on, we'll keep on adding newer video-based questions. Along with that, newer updates will also be added. So the queue bank is going to keep on growing. Next, this is not only going to help you in case video questions are going to be asked in your NEET PG. Even otherwise, this video-based question bank will help you in your general revision too. Because whenever a clinical concept or a clinical sign or a procedure is tied to a video or photo, you tend to remember it better and recall it better in the exams. For example, in your internship or during your final year, you would have seen certain cases or certain clinical signs and you'll be remembering it very well until now. So if you want more details about this video-based question bank, do check out our description.